Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A Patani women wear nose plugs as a tradition to mark their adulthood and to protect themselves from being taken by radars. Cat and dog eyes color changes to green due to bright light. A man attempted to build a house using Supreme's logo stamped bricks. Penguins spend several hours a day carrying their feathers. Love French fries, try adding some vinegar to them to make them slightly healthier. The human jaw can create a force of 200 pounds on the molars. Teachers receive the most Valentine's Day cards, followed by kids, mothers, wives, and girlfriends. An annoyed camel will spit at a person. The only words that rhyme with purple are hurple and purple. Cats will go to deep sleep more quickly than humans. More people drown in deserts than die of thirst. Musil's super filter can clean 25 liters of water a day, new research says. Study finds fathers have been older than mothers for 250,000 years. The Earth's rotation and uneven gravitational pull cause the global sea level to bulge at the equator, making it farther from the Earth's center than at the poles. This means that the sea level is not truly level but rather a complex, undulating surface. Tigers love to swim to cool off because they have more surface area that heats up in a tropical climate. Plants existed long before the evolution of seeds. Early plant life resembling moss reproduced using single-celled spores. It took approximately 150 million years for multicellular seeds to develop. The small claw on a seagull's lower leg helps them sit on high ledges without being blown away. The first Fords had engines made by Dodge. Tapirs can walk underwater at the bottom of a river or lake. It cost more to buy a new car today in the United States than it cost Christopher Columbus to equip and undertake 3 voyages to and from the New World. In a large group, zebra strips create a pattern camouflage similar to grass against colorblind predators. The 2-foot-long bird called a kea that lives in New Zealand likes to eat the strips of rubber around car windows. Ibexes have soft, split hooves to grip surfaces that help them scale almost vertical walls. Used coffee grounds can be a great deodorizer for your fridge. Just place them in a bowl and let them absorb unwanted smells. An insect that mimics dead, decayed, eaten, and broken leaves. Researchers think girls like pink and red colors because thousands of years ago their job was to hunt for ripe berries. Over the years, girls' eyes became conditioned to seek out those berry colors. Close look at a lion's eye. When a gas pipeline leaks in the California desert, workers put a chemical into the gas that attracts vultures. The vultures gather where the gas leaks out, so workers only need to spot the vultures to find the leak. Don't try to guess a girl's feelings, just ask her. They're expert in hiding it. The word slang is actually a slang for short language. It is literally impossible to forget something on purpose, yet we get angry with people if they forget things. If you remain calm within the first 90 seconds of a plane crash, you will likely survive. If you ever get gum stuck in your hair, just put some peanut butter in that area. Most hair gel is made from rodent fat. The scent of Axe hair gel comes directly from this process. 2 ounces of wheatgrass is equivalent to eating 4 pounds of green vegetables. Most ginger cats are male. There are roughly ginger male cats to 1 ginger female. This is because the ginger gene is found in the X chromosome, meaning female cats would require 2 copies of the gene to become ginger. In 1990, Malaysian strongman Ramasamy used his hair to pull a Boeing 737 aircraft in Kuala Lumpur 17 meters, setting a new world record. His abilities were passed on to his daughter, who pulled a truck with her hair in 2002. India will freeze next month. Yes, this 2024 winter might be coldest winter India will ever witness. But why? La Nina effect. When Pacific Ocean water gets colder than expected, it generates cold waves of air to Asian countries. India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar are under huge risk of extreme winters. We saw last La Nina effect in 2001 for India that lasted 7 months. As per reports, 2024 has 60% chances of La Nina effect. If this occurs, December, January and February will be nightmare for Indians. Thanks for watching.